Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on SnackCrate. So I got this box as a promotion. It's only $1, cost me only $1, and this is the mini. So in this box we have treats from Turkey. So it comes with a little sticker. So it comes with a sticker, and it comes with this booklet that says Turkey on it. Sorry for the glares from the camera, but it says Turkey on it, and I'm guessing, inside it tells you which treat is which. So, and it has some fun facts about Turkey, and it's capital. Let's see if you guys can see. Here's some fun facts. It's pretty cool. That's a beautiful picture. See the picture? But yeah, so I got the mini. Let's see. Okay. So in the mini, I have crispy, ridged, hot, a chili. I'm not quite sure if I'm saying it right, but this one. It is this one. It is bite-sized zesty chips flavored with chili peppers. This flavor is very popular in Turkey. So let's see. So this is what it looks like. A little crisp. I actually like these. They taste pretty good. They have the cracker itself tastes like Ritz crackers. I really like these. They're not very spicy, but then again, I like spicy food. So next we have, let's try, this is the Cat. It is a puff pastry with hazelnut cocoa cream, and the description says it is this one right here. It says, light puff pastry surrounds a delicious filling, which include either hazelnut, strawberry, cocoa, or apricot. So the one I have is cocoa. No, the one I have is hazelnut, sorry. So let's see. This is it. Let's open it. Ooh, it is like a little pastry. Look at that. It's very crumbly. Oh. That looks good. It's very crumbly. Let's see if I can. I don't want to make the box messy. Take it to the side. So it's like this. It's like layered. Sorry. Next we have the Pop Cake with chocolate. It looks like it says cocoa coated cake with chocolate sauce. So it is a sweet sponge cake filled with either banana cream, then dipped in milk chocolate. So the one that I have is filled with just chocolate instead of banana. So let's see. Ooh, it was sticky. It's like, ooh, it looks like a, what's it called? A Twinkie. The cake does. It smells pretty good. That's what the inside looks like. The cake is really good. It's just like a regular vanilla cake with chocolate icing. It's good. I like that one too. So far, I like all of them. That one's so good. Okay. Next, we have, it seems like there's a lot of chocolate in this box. Yes, a lot of chocolate in this box. But next we have a cocoa star. And this just looks like a coconut candy. Let's see. So, it is sweet and nutty coconut formed into a bar and dipped in decadent milk chocolate. That sounds really good. So, let's not put the trash. I got crumbs on my hands. My bad. This is what it looks like. It's pretty nice. Okay. That tastes like a Mounds bar. It's called Benio with chocolate. It is chocolate coated marshmallow and coconut biscuit. So we got another coconut treat here. Let's see if I can find it in the booklet. Okay, it is right here. So it is two soft cookies are sandwiched together with marshmallow, dipped in chocolate and sprinkled with coconut flakes. Okay. Ooh, that's pretty. They look like chocolate covered Oreos. That's really pretty. So, this is what it looks like. So I can focus that. It's like this. And on the side, you can see the marshmallow coming out. Okay. It tastes like a moon pie. Yeah, it tastes just like a moon pie, but with coconut. Pretty good. Delicious. So we have 3 more. Well, we have 4 more. These 2 are the same. Chewy candy strawberry. Yeah, those are the same. So I'll say those for last. We have a cocoa nut. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that, but it looks like it has coconut in it, but from the picture it looks like hazelnuts and chocolate. So it says milk chocolate coated cocoa bar with hazelnuts and wafer. Right here, this is a thin crispy wafer sandwich with hazelnut cream, then it's dipped in milk chocolate. Let's see. That looks like. You know what? It's not bad. It tastes just like a Ferrero Rocher. Pretty good. Ooh. Okay. last but not least, we have these fruity chews. So 2 of these are the same. So we're not going to try that one. We're going to try these 2. So, it says mini yum. It says mini yum. And it says chewy candy with apple juice. Okay. So here it says delicious. Well, it says Taya's mini yums. Delicious chewy candies that feature a variety of fruit flavors made with real juice. And from the picture, it looks like there's grape, strawberry, apple. I'm not quite sure of this one. So it looks like it's 2 pieces unless it broke. I think it just broke. But it looks like this. Ooh, that's really good. I like that one. It does taste like an artificial green apple, even though it said that it's made with real apple juice. But it's so good. So the last one that we have is the strawberry mini, and this one is made with strawberry juice. Let's see if I can break. Oh, it's already broke. Look like this. It has like little specks in it. Look like pureed strawberry. Oops. So I have like a really not texy, has like a really chewy consistency to it. It's not as soft as a Starburst. It's like a Starburst and a Now Later mixed together. It's pretty good. I like the green apple better than strawberry. The strawberry is kind of creamy. But it's not bad. I like it. So, out of this whole box, I actually like all of the snacks that I got from Turkey. Like, they were surprisingly good. They have familiar taste. So, it was nothing like super weird that I was like, oh. But it was really good to me. I like all of them. My favorite out of all of them had to be this. This one was really good. It just tastes like a vanilla cake with chocolate icing. And also have like chocolate filling. So, I like this box. And this is from SnackCrate. So if you guys are interested in getting a box, I highly recommend that you get a box from them. So far, I was not disappointed with any of the snacks that I got. Yeah, it came at a decent time too. So, yeah. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I do plan on making more food videos like this. So if you do like them, or if you have any suggestions on what kind of food videos I should make or what I should try, list them below down in the comments, and I'll try my best to try them out. But I hope you guys like this video. Thank you and have a nice day.